Hi, Megan. Hi, Jonathan. How are you?
Good. Welcome to Tennessee, Jen.
Thanks. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I got your email and I came as quick as I possibly could.
I'm glad. I'm doing about 2 weeks and we're trying to finish up some last minute projects on the house.
Yeah, so we've been at the house a little over 2 years and we've completely renovated the entire inside, but we really haven't focused much outside. So we kind of want to look at this space right here.
What is this space? What is this thing?
So originally this was the garage and the previous homeowners converted it to a den on the inside and walled it off. So they just put up this panel where the garage door used to be. So at this point we're kind of running out of time and renovation dollars, and while we will probably build it in at some point, for now we just want to have something here to kind of blend it into the house.
All right, so you do need some curb appeal help here, and I have an idea for you. So I'll be right back. Okay, I really love what you started over here with the foundation plantings. It softens the hardscape, and I would love to replicate that over here, but cutting out this asphalt is really just gonna be too much work. So I thought we could use a planter.
This is cool. What is it?
It's actually an animal feed trough. You can get it at any animal supply store. I got the idea from a friend last year, and I think it would work really well in this application right here.
I love it.
Now this has a solid bottom. It's actually meant to hold food and water. What we need to do is create drainage holes so the water can perk out. Okay, so this is the first layer we're gonna put down. It's a screen, and we're gonna lay it over the holes that we just put in. The mesh is permeable. It's gonna allow the water to pass through without the soil washing out. Okay, so we only need 1.5 feet of soil for the plants that we got. This trough is 3 feet deep. So what we're gonna do is spread these packing peanuts along the bottom, and it's gonna help with weight and also help with drainage. So would you like to take that?
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna get the big bag. All right. You guys wanna help me spread this? Let's not dump all of it. Let's just see where we get. Now we're going to use this landscape fabric to separate the styrofoam peanuts from the soil. And just tuck it in. Before we put any more weight into this, let's move it into place. Okay, we're just going to set it on those boards just so it's shimmed up a little bit for the drainage.
Okay.
We're gonna put this soil mix in. This is very nutrient rich with compost. Okay guys, this is what I was thinking for your planter.
What do you got?
Well, these are called arborvitae. We're gonna plant them individually along the back. But what I want them to ultimately do is create a hedge. And then when it reaches the top of your garage door, you could top it off so it's just a big green backdrop. And then it'll kind of make the garage door disappear. And then graduating down to here, we have lantana, which is colorful all season long, and it's going to cascade over the side, so to soften the edges. And then you go to the liriope, which I was going to put in between these two, and it's going to have purple spikes, mid-season blooms. So you have varying heights here, varying textures and cascaders, and then I think it'll make a complete planter for you.
That's awesome. Can we start planting?
Yeah, let's do it. All right. All right, now let's pick a good face for each of them. So we'll spin it till it looks like the fattest to the front.
Good idea.
Okay. I think they look pretty good. What do you think?
Yeah, I agree.
I do like these together.
Yeah, they look great.
I love that texture.
Wow, Jen, I love this. It looks great.
And the best part is this is the most of that white wall you're ever going to see. Those arborvitaes are going to grow up tall, and you could prune them and shape them however you'd like. And then the perennials are going to cascade over the front. And I really think it's a great fit.
Jen, well, we really do love it. Thank you so much for coming to Tennessee.
No problem. Hopefully this is the last project that you guys do before the baby comes.
Still have a little bit to finish in the nursery, but we're going to get it done quick.
You'll get it done. Good luck with everything.
Thank you.
Love it. That is a good one. Although I'm not sure what surprised me more, the size of that planter or the size of your bag of packing peanuts. That thing was huge.
It was massive, but we had to fill that void at the bottom of the trough.
Right.
And it's about size and weight in this situation. We went everywhere looking for these packing peanuts. Storage stores, craft stores.
Wait, they're hard to get?
They're very hard to get. You can't even get them in some states. This is styrofoam.
Yeah.
And this is biodegradable.
Oh, that's interesting. So bad for the environment, hence hard to get, and then they've come up with this alternative.
Exactly.
Although we use the bad for the environment version.
Unfortunately, we use bad for the environment, but this is why. So when you pour water onto the styrofoam bit, it's going to hold its shape.
These don't break down.
They don't break down.
What happens to these?
All right, so then when you pour
that's interesting.
Have you ever seen these before?
No. I mean, I would think that's a great idea, although we've got this sort of weird situation where we do need them to sort of stay together.
I mean, within seconds.
They just turn into these melted marshmallows right here.
Exactly.
So that's not going to work underneath 1.5 feet of soil. When the water comes in there, they're just going to
the plants would just slump inside. So we decided to use this, and
makes sense.
If you wanted to do a different alternative, you could use the bottom of, what the pots of the plants come in.
Oh, like the little green plastic ones?
Yes, take it off the bottom of the pot. If it's rigid enough, flip it over, turn it upside down, and that will help fill the void in space.
Oh, that's brilliant.
Yeah.
Okay. So when I see something like that, up here at least, I'm thinking over the winter, above ground, not good. Does that determine what we put in there and what part of the country you're in?
It does. Up north here, like in the Boston area, it's going to be considered an annual planter. In warmer climates, they could last year round.
Right. So up here, just the season, they come out and replant them the next year.
Exactly.
All right. So the big question, did Megan have the baby?
She did. She had a baby girl named Charlotte. She's so cute.
Love the wardrobe decision there. That's nice.
I know. She's rocking the style.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.